here underneath, where you might catch someone here. It's kind of funny. You have to figure out something about it, because it's different from here. See, this elbow joint's here. Here, this is different. So here, someone does this is different. We're here. But here, there's a pop, you know, right in here. Plus the slide, a little bit of a slide here, right? There's a reason for that. So you want to study it a little bit, you know? So this is a trap. Even someone just punches, you just catch their fist, you know? Just that movement. Because you never know. Like if the guy punches, right? Maybe I do something perfect, Wing Tsun, right? No. The guy might punch, I'm caught off guard. I got to grab him and get out of there. I don't know, you know? So Wing Tsun allows you to vary your technique. No fights are perfect, you know? Okay? All right, so work on this now. Do those variations for a little bit. Then I'm going to show you one more detail you need to know for this stage of chump jig. All right?